Steve, we've been here on a few occasions looking at turnkey projects, and that's what we're going to talk about today. It's about engineers being reassured and getting guarantees that they are going to achieve the cycle times that maybe you stipulate. Can you tell us about how it works?
So the turnkey is really, it's accessing a partnership between ourselves and the customer. So with this machine, we've got a NTY3 with a gantry. The whole aspect of this was a very, very high volume component that was actually run through 5 machines to keep up with their capacity. We've taken out those 5 machines and we've got it as a fully automated cell. So not only are we giving them lesser footprint and more capacity, but we're also upskilling the engineers that they currently have.
How was this established as a solution? Did you go to them and look at the part and go, guys, you know, this is inefficient, you need to look at new ways of doing it, or did they come to you?
It's been ongoing. We've supplied this customer particularly with a number of machines in different configurations, and we always have rolling projects on with them, and this is the latest project that's come through to be delivered this year.
So you would be saying to them, we can produce this part in X amount of cycle time now, we're going to keep the machine on certain uptime statistics. For you, how much responsibility is that you taking on here at ETG, and how do you go about making sure you deliver those things?
So this is a 12-month project, okay, and that is not from order through to delivery. That is from the receiving a physical drawing, and we've worked with the customer to put forward a capex approval as part of their budgets, as to justify why this machine would do what we said it was going to do. So yeah, all in all, as part of the turnkey, we sign up to that this machine will deliver X in a set time.
So going back in the old days when people used to potentially buy a machine and take all of those risks themselves with the engineering, you're now taking that on your shoulders, which alleviates any responsibility really to the engineer. All they know is that you're going to do what you say.
Yeah, exactly that. It's a customer's market. We very rarely get pushed on price. We get pushed on demand, what the customer wants. So they'll put it into the machine. They want it to run quicker. They want more parts out of the machine. They want it running 24/7. And obviously we need to be able to support it as well.
And this, as an example, it has the fastest gantry in the world. You've got 3 turrets in this machine, 2 spindles. It would be a hell of a responsibility for an engineer to take this on himself, wouldn't it? There's a lot of risk there. So this really must give them peace of mind.
Yeah, you wouldn't buy this unit straight out of the box. The cycle time in itself is 20 seconds, so the gantry is the fastest gantry in the world, so we need to come in, load, unload a part, all within that time to keep the tack time of a finished part coming out.
Final question to you. This is a highly complex and sophisticated machine. All of your machines are premium quality machines, but there are some machines that may be just 2-3 axis versions. Do you ever do turnkeys on that type of technology, and can you?
Yeah, so the turnkey element can be classed as a loose term. So you can take just a standard machine where, again, the operator or the small end user then probably hasn't got the time to set that machine up. It may only take us 2 or 3 days, but he knows that machine, once it is delivered to him, will be producing parts. He's not got to invest in his own time or his guy's time to get the machine running. He can carry on with the workload that he's already got on board.